Autumn's music class. We are going to start and continue to talk about labeling different parts of the music when we actually are writing music down. So last time we talked about these vertical lines. Does anybody remember what they're called? They are called bar lines. B-A-R. Bar lines. And when you have bar lines, they are separating the space. You're separating the beats, and you're grouping them together. So these bar lines happen, and then when we want the music to end, we have what's called a double bar line. So we have a double bar line. Okay. When you have these beats that are on the line, the space between two bar lines is called a measure. So let's label that measure. Okay, so when we have all of these beats and we are grouping them together, we are determining what meter it is. We've talked about meter and figuring out which meter we're moving to. And so we could label the meter with something called a time signature. Now, there are two tas in between these two bar lines. So when you have two beats, then our time signature at the beginning is going to have a 2 on the top and a quarter note on the bottom. That means there are 2 beats in each measure, and the quarter note is the thing that gets the beat. So this is called a time signature. And you can determine it by saying signature. And you can figure out if it is in 2 by seeing that there are 2 beats in a measure. Or maybe it might have 3 beats, 3 tas or 3 beats coupled together. Or it could have 4, it could have 5. Whatever it is, the time signature at the beginning is going to tell you what that is. All right, so let's look at different examples of time signatures and figure out how to label which one we need to put in the beginning of each of the exercises. So let's look at the first one, and it goes ti ti ta, ti ti ta, ta ta ta. All right, so when we have ti ti ta, we have ti ti. That's 1 beat split up into 2. So that's 1 beat, and then the other one is a ta. So there are how many? There are 2 beats in this measure. Look at this half note. 2 beats, ta. So that's the only thing in that measure. So what do you think this time signature would be? Do you think it would be 2 on the top, 3 on the top, or 4 on the top? And we said there are 2 in between the bar lines, so let's drag the 2 quarter note. 2, 4. That's the time signature for that. Okay, let's see. Let's see what the next one is. We have ta, 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 ta. And then we have the bar line. Okay, so we have ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, ta, ta. So how many beats, or how many beats do we have before we get to a bar line? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So would we use a 2, a 3, or a 4? Yeah, let's use a 4. Drag that up. Okay, let's see what the next one is. We have 1, 2, 3, and then we have a bar line. So we have ta, 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 ta. So does that feel like it's in 1, 2, 3? Or does it feel like it's in 1, 2? Or does it feel like it's in 1, 2, 3, 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1, 2, 3, then a bar line. So let's put the 3. Okay, next we have ta, ta, and the bar line. Ta, ta, ti, 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 and then a bar line, and then ta, ta. Okay, so what do you think? 1, 2, 3. And we have the bar line, so it's the 3 time signature. All right, 1, 2, ti, ti, ta. How many do we have until we get that bar line? 1, 2, ti, ti, ta. How many times did I nod my head? That's right, 4 times. And then we have that bar line. Ti, ti, ta, ta, ta. And last one. Ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, ta, ta. What do you think? That's right, it is 2. So, I hope you kind of get the idea that we have beats that can be grouped together in different numbers. And when we have those numbers, it can be told to us by the time signature. Hope you can do this on your own in this next exercise.